This is the bird dog level 2. So again, bringing your knees down on the floor with your hands. You want to make sure that your wrist is right underneath your shoulder and that your knees is right underneath your hips. And then from here, you want to keep your head neutral, rib cage down to engage your core, creating a stable square. Now from here, I'm going to bring one arm up and then the opposite leg up as well. Squeezing on that glute and upper back muscles, engaging your core, and then slowly bring it back down. So breathe in, arm first, leg second, slowly bring it back down.